Hi everyone, Liz here. Thanks for stopping by. So happy 5th of December. Yay. Oh my goodness, we are cracking along with these. So we've got 2 advent calendars to open today. One is the Diamond Painting Deutschland one, and the other one is the National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation one. So we will put that one out of the way for the moment. And we will have a look at this one first. It's a very small packet and it's very squidgy, so I'm not quite sure what it's going to be. There was a lady on the 3rd of December's unboxing that left a comment saying, I'm really sorry, but I disagree with you. I think it was worth the money, and apparently the tin is worth more than $5 on the Diamond Painting Deutschland website. I have to say, I've not been looking on the website to see how much they charge for things. I'm just going on instinct as to what I think I would pay for in a shop or where I could buy it from. So yeah, she's right. But she has deleted a comment. So if that was you, I'm really sorry. Please don't think I'll be offended if you disagree with me. That is fine. We all have our own opinions, and I'm not the sort of person, and this isn't the sort of channel where we're going to call people out or get upset over things. And we can't all agree on everything. You know, I mean, as I always say about my blue ladies that don't like my pink, well, that's fine. We all like something different. So yeah, as I say, I'm not one of those channels that's going to call you out by name or block you or anything like that, unless you're really, really offensive or whatever, and it's not necessary. But if you disagree with me, fine, you disagree with me. It's a big world. We can't all agree on everything. So please don't think I'm going to be offended. I'm not easily offended by much these days, so do not worry. Watch all the comments coming through now. I hope the person, because I'm not sure if it was a man or lady, to be honest, does come back and just put another comment. But yeah, please don't be afraid to disagree with me. And yeah, call me out when I get things wrong as well, because on the National Lampoon's Advent Calendar, it's Aunt Bethany, it's not Aunt Clara. So where I've got Aunt Clara from, I have absolutely no idea. There isn't an Aunt Clara in it. It's Aunt Bethany. And thank you to the ladies that let me know. I've got a memory like a sieve, as I say, and if I say things wrong or I do things wrong or you've got better ways of doing things, let me know. As I say, I don't get offended. So, okay. Shall we get into this parcel now and have a look? Quite a few of the ladies from the 3rd as well got full sets of multi-placers and got better multi-placer sets than I did. So I think mine was a Friday afternoon one, you know, where they're in a rush and they just want to get everything done before they go home, and mine was maybe just a random thing, or maybe mine was the bits that were left over, I don't know. But I definitely didn't get a full set. If you do check out in the comments from the other ladies, you will see what the other ladies got in their packets as well of their multi-placers. So thank you to all those ladies that are opening along with me and did leave the comment about how many multi-placers and what multi-placers they got. It's a bit of fun, and yeah, I'm really enjoying this, and it seems as though you're all enjoying it as much as I am. So let us get into this 5th of December. Trying not to tear the bags. Okie dokie. And oh, what have we got this time? Oh, okay. So what's this? Oh! So not hugely exciting, but exceptionally useful. These are cover papers. So yay! So these are for when you get a clear cover on your diamond painting. It's mainly bigger paintings. I don't think I would replace the cover on this one, but we'll pretend that this is a bigger diamond painting. If you want to take this off, now these covers actually have a right and a wrong side. And if I take this off and put it down the other way up, daft as it sounds, because it is clear and it feels the same on both sides, if you put it down the other way up, it will stick to the canvas in most cases, and it can take all your sticky off, and it's terrible to get off. So there are a right and a wrong side on these. So if you think you're going to be taking the whole thing off and putting the whole thing back on, it's probably better off to use these little cover sheets. And I do use these are really, really useful. And if you get halfway through a project, even on your special drills, I will quite often just pop one of these on the top rather than putting the clear cover back on. So all you would do is just peel your cover off. If you're going to take it wholly off, that's fine. I'm not going to take this wholly off because I'm just showing you, just in case there may be ladies that are fairly new to diamond painting, so don't know these things, and then if nobody tells you, you don't know. So yeah. So these are like sort of grease-proof paper, release paper. They're really good as well if you've got stickers and you've stuck them on something and then you've lost the carrier sheet that you had them on. You can put your stickers on these as well. So all you would do is just literally cover over. And it seems as though now that the new cover sheets that we're getting, because I noticed this on some that I unboxed recently, that they're transparent. The old original cover papers that I've got, it's completely white, so you have no idea what's underneath it, which can be good or bad, depends on what you like. I tend to find if I'm doing this little bit here and I see like this A colour is just next to it here, I'll start sneakily lifting this up and putting A's there, and then I see another one over there, and I start chasing the colours and chasing the different drills, and you're better off really just concentrating on one little bit and completing that first. So yeah, there's all different ways of diamond painting, and you know, you'll have your own way of how you do things, but yeah, these are really, really useful. So are they worth £5.50? I'm not really sure how much cover sheets are. Are they about £4 for a pack? I'm trying to think what I would pay on Amazon. I'm guessing that on the Diamond Painting Deutschland website they will be more than the £5.50. Not wildly exciting, but a very, very useful tool to have. And if you're doing a bigger painting, then, you know, I quite often cover my whole painting in these. And then just do one square at a time, and I find that one of these 6x4 squares takes me 2 hours to diamond paint on a full drill diamond painting. If you cut them in half, then you've got like an hour. So if you think, right, I'm going to spend an hour diamond painting, just do one little square. It may be quicker for you, it may take you longer, but that's just what I sort of an average time, an average speed that I seem to do. Doing one of these squares, well, rectangles. Squares, they're not squares, Liz, they're rectangles. Duh. Takes me roughly 2 hours, so there you are. So yeah, so not wildly exciting, but very useful. So after yesterday's excitement with the snowflakes, I'm a little bit, oh my goodness me. So yeah, and then these just peel off. Oh, that one's got a bit curly. Put it in something flat. If you want to keep them stored, I know Rebecca at more Zest does little envelopes and things, or passport covers are good for holding your cover sheets. But also if you've got the, oh, I've just put my hand in this, Liz, do you know, if there's a right way and wrong way to do things, I will always find the wrong way. You only come on here to see me do silly things, don't you? I know. I amaze myself some days at the silly things that I do. Anyway, so yeah, I think because these are a little bit thinner and a little bit more transparent, then they are curling up a little bit more. But yes, I mean, you can keep them just in the packet that they come in, or you can put them, you know, the little 28 boxes where you've got the row of 4 little containers all together, and there's 28 in a little lidded container. I've not got one handy, otherwise I'd show you. They fit in there really well as well. So once your little containers, the lids have stopped closing and they've got a bit worn out, just keep the container that they came in, and your cover sheets fit in those really, really well. I have absolutely no idea where my cover sheets are now. I'm thinking they must be downstairs. I'm hoping they're downstairs. Oh, dear me. Right, so let's just move those out of the way for now, and let's have a look at our national lampoons. So we've had the back end of the RV. We've had Aunt Bethany, not Aunt Clara, it's Aunt Bethany. Let's say thank you to all those ladies that told me who it was. And that's Aunt Bethany's Jello. And then yesterday we got his Clark Griswold's boss. I'm sorry, I can't remember his name. I should have looked it up. And then let's see what we've got in number 5. Ooh, what's in here? What's in here? Oh, it's the Volkswagen Beetle. The little bug, the little Volkswagen Beetle car. I can't remember that car. I know they have the big car that they put the Christmas tree on the top of, and as they're driving along, they end up going in between the wheels of a lorry and driving along underneath a lorry, and that always makes me laugh. The look of absolute horror on the faces is really, really funny. And again, it's Clark's fault. So yeah, we've got our little car there as well. I'll have to look that up. I don't quite remember the car. How strange. And I've watched it so many times. But anyway, I even get Aunt Bethany wrong. And it's Uncle Lewis as well, I believe, Aunt Bethany's husband. And yeah, oh dear. Right, so just a very, very quick one today, because we just got the cover sheets. I say just, they are something that I do use and are exceptionally useful. So yeah, it would be nice actually if there were Christmassy ones, do you think? Because I know I have actually bought some from Rebecca Admore Zest, some cover sheets that you can print yourself. So use your home inkjet printer and print your own design on them. So obviously you would put them design upwards, looking at you, not design onto your canvas. Yeah, I must remember that, because I'm, out of anybody, I'm likely to put them the wrong way around. But anyway, just the way I am. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed looking at these with me today, and we'll see what we get tomorrow. So if you have, a thumbs up is always very much appreciated. Any comments or questions in the comments down below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. And if you want to join our little family and see what we get up to next, then if you press that subscribe button down in this corner, I've got the edge of the advent calendar in my arm and I can't quite reach. An all notifications bell pops up and you'll be notified when my videos go up. Yay! Thanks ever so much for stopping by. Take care everybody, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye for now.